The Air Niugini delegation had the opportunity to inspect the aircraft, which was in Australia as part of the Worldwide Dream Tour, and it was very much a look into the future of aviation. The Boeing 787 Dreamliner features a new composite structure, advanced aerodynamics and next-generation engines which will provide outcomes such as 20% lower fuel consumption and lower emissions. The passenger experience is also enhanced with dynamic LED lighting and a more comfortable cabin in what Boeing is heralding as a new era in aviation. On his return to Port Moresby, Air Niugini Chairman Garth McElwain said that the Dreamliner may become a reality for Air Niugini.
I think in the future we need to look ahead. If Air Niugini is going to continue to grow as it has in the past 5 years or so, and we continue to do the code share with Qantas, and we continue to go to overseas ports, not only Australia but in the Asian capitals, we'll need to have the type of aircraft which qualifies us for the continuation of our code share arrangement.
Chairman of IBBC, Dr. Thomas Webster, said that as a shareholder, the IBBC was committed to progressing the Air Niugini fleet.
Air Niugini, from the presentations that were made initially in the beginning of the year, there was some, and we would need to have a look at it more closely this time in terms of the benefits, the cost benefits in the long run. With the figures that were presented, it seemed as if there were efficiency gains in the long run, and we need to look at that. Rather than operating outdated fleets, to the shareholder, it means that we would have benefits in the long run.
Air Niugini Chief Executive Officer Mr. Washanta Kumarasiri said that the Boeing 787 Dreamliner was a revolutionary aircraft.
And for Air Niugini to the long-term future, we look at 10 years, 20 years forward. This is the kind of equipment that is needed to explore the opportunities that Air Niugini is presented with. With the current fleet, we can operate within a limited network, but we will be operating within that limited network.
Meanwhile, Chairman Garth McElwain said that Air Niugini's short-term future still remains in addressing capacity issues associated with accelerated growth and demand within Papua New Guinea.
We hopefully by the end of next month we'll have our first Boeing 737 aircraft delivered into Port Moresby. That aircraft will certainly assist in alleviating some of the blockages or some of the capacity restraints we have at the moment. Not only will it be able to serve international ports, but hopefully we'll be able to take it to NADZAB and some other ports in due course, subject of course to approvals of the authorities and with the landing constraints that may be present in some of the other strips throughout Papua New Guinea. There's a Dash 8 200 series arriving on Thursday, also to supplement our fleet and relieve some of the pressures we have at the moment.
Meredith Pusa, National MTV News.